threshold of becoming a man, and like Peter Pan, I turn around and I run. Not because I want to be a boy forever, but because of what being a man has become. Somewhere along the road we lost the definition. We need to break tradition, U-turn and transition to a road less traveled. Cause I look around at the world and I'm baffled by all of these examples that are on display, preaching morals that bring decay. Why are there so many children being raised by single women? Since when did being a man mean neglecting your responsibility and thinking up clever messages as excuses for promiscuity? Throwing away everything for the touch of a mistress, leaving their kids' eyes full of tears on Christmas cause a dad was the only thing they had on their wish list. We've gotten off track by some distance, cause getting a girl pregnant doesn't make you a father. You need to be there and be the first love of your daughter. Set a good example to your son, instill good character that can't be undone. Why have we degraded women down to objects of pleasure? Like broken hearts are the currency we're gonna use to measure our manhood. We're just boys in disguise, constantly chasing different lies like step on any and everyone to get the office in the sky, cause at the end of the day, it's just me, myself, and I. But the greatest man to ever live gave up his life, and we're just standing by and letting chivalry die. With these preset standards I can no longer comply. I want to be someone people can rely upon. I want to be strong and have a shoulder for people to cry